from zero speed, and they quickly build up to 45 to 50 miles an hour. Now, as you can see, the airplane's very, very close together, wingtip to wingtip. Airplanes are almost all airborne now, and the lead airplane looks like Carl Sonny Leroy, Hero, and number 51, Dave Briggs, out there in the last place airplane. Now, the airplane's going around pylon number 1, the leader around pylon number 2, and that's it. Oh, it is George Buddy as he goes past him. Up on number 9. And will he cut it past him out in the turn? No, he pulls off going out high and wide. That she can pass him on this jet, and I think he's going to try to do it right here. I'm last the airplane is about to Kyle Swinson, Sonny Leroy. Here's Morris. Now Roger comes in, pulls it off, does off a little more power, brings it up, not quite. Right about there. Now try to stick it down and hold it down, forward on the stick. Runs them forward till the airplane, the wheels drop into the wheel wells, and there you have it all. And number 51, there's Briggs out there in the last place airplane. Now the airplane's going around pylon number 1. Easy, this is the ticklish part.
Okay.
Nancy and Brian Lansford.
Pathetic or what?
Beautiful. Well, we've got a, I don't know how it happened, but operation was the race here. I tried to get a steering on it. One official in our completion, so the guys will be your announcer up there as I have him in our Formula 1 back on the ground. But keep your eye on Roger Nelson there.